Hey there, welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie, and today I was going to talk about One Beer Grilling. This is by Mike Lang. I really wish I had this when we were barbecue season, obviously, but I'm glad we can look through it now. There's nothing to stop me from dragging up my barbecue during winter time or fall, to be honest. It's actually kind of nice. So I'm looking forward to this because this looked really fun. It's not one cookbook I would ordinarily pick up, but when I did a quick review of it on our podcast, it looked really fun and interesting. So let's dive right in. We have, okay, so it's divided up very, very simply. So we've got appetizers in the beginning, red meat, poultry, pork, seafood, sides, and pizza, because some of us have pizza ovens. I really enjoy that everything, if you wanted to meal plan, everything has a page number. This isn't too big of a cookbook. This is kind of nice, and the whole point of it is so that you can relax and chill, with a cold one while you're grilling. So this is really, really nice. Let's look through the appetizers. There's a few photos throughout. Grilled nachos, I've never thought about putting nachos in a grill before. This would elevate nachos so much. Now I really just want to drag my grill out right now, actually. We have a planked brie. Yum. Very, very tasty. So I would probably say half the book probably has photos. Jalapeno poppers. This is one of my favorites. I really enjoy those. What else do we got? We have, stuffed avocados. Oh, yum. That looks really great. So very simple stuff. And one thing that's really fun about this, if you're a beer drinker, so at the side of each recipe, they have a beer pairing suggestion. So this is like a Vienna lager would go really well with these. I think that's really fun. If you have a beer drinking, if you know somebody that loves to grill and drink beer simultaneously, or really just, this would be fun for in general. Now you can pair things properly too if you want for like parties for summer get-togethers. That's really cool. So we have in our red meat section, pit beef sandwiches, with cheesy beer pit beef sandwiches. Yum yum. Very good. These are very easy recipes. Planked meatballs, a lot of them are only like one page, so that gives me hope. That's really awesome. Super easy. Smoked prime rib. Yes, very cool. Ooh, stuffed flank steak with prosciutto and goat cheese. I might have to leave and go eat right now. Yeah, this is really cool. I also like that, so if things are a little more complex, so this one's a little more complex as far as some of the recipes go, they give you additional equipment necessities on the side too. So you've got your beer pairing, ingredients, and equipment that you're going to need. And again, this is really, all of these are very straightforward recipes. I've noticed that the more we've gone into the meat oriented section and kind of grilling, the more actual photos there are. So let's look at some chicken recipes for those of us that don't enjoy red meat as much. Let's go Sunday whole chicken. Ooh, this would be fun if you've got a small family and you guys just don't want to have a whole turkey for Thanksgiving. This would be a great option just to do a whole chicken, also just every Sunday. That would be fun. Chicken quesadillas. I like that these aren't just, hey, here's how you grill some wings. There's like actual, more than just grilling recipes like the quesadillas or nachos, sandwiches, chicken cheesesteak sandwiches. So this is super cool. Ooh, even chili, smoked pork chili. That would be, oh man, that would be really cool. That would make your chili taste just superb. Yes, that's a perfect fall and winter meal for sure. Maple glazed pork tenderloins, something pretty traditional. Let's go into seafood. I love the seafood section. We've got spicy rum shrimp skewers. This sounds excellent for summertime. Grilled scallops with gremolata. Yum. Oh. And then we'll go to, walleye tacos with salsa verde. This looks great. Let's go a little further. We've got kind of your sides. We've got like grilled fries. I forget, we can also do, you know, grilled vegetables on here. Grilled zucchini. What else do we have in here? Let's look at some pizza sections here, or pizza recipes. We've got your regular, like, margarita pizza, barbecue pulled pork pizza. Yum. And then we have even, like, this has a sauerkraut and sausage pizza. This is a chicken, shallot, and arugula pizza. Yum. So this is pretty straightforward. Great grilling book. If you love grilling all the time, they simplify things so that you can actually enjoy your life and not have to stand over the grill all night, especially if you're hosting for people. I know that a lot of people get caught up in grilling and then they kind of forget that they need to actually host, or they just forget or just don't get to experience being around their friends and family because they're so busy, you know, cooking for everybody. So this is really helpful, really easy, great tips. This is One Beer Grilling by Mike Lang. Definitely check it out, especially if you grill all year round. This would be super helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment on your way out. If you want more cookbook content, come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Also at cookbookdivas.com, we try to update everybody with new cookbook news, new cookbooks, all that kind of stuff. We do this also on our podcast at Cookbook Divas. We try to publish every Friday and do a weekly roundup so you know what cookbooks are coming out. And this is going to be super helpful for the holidays coming up. There's so many cool cookbooks coming out. So join us there too. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a fantastic week.